Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how you can use Caulk gun. So before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. So guys, here you see three items: a Caulk gun, a utility knife, and of course the cartridge that we are going to use. Alright, so the very first thing is to make a cut in this cartridge. So there are two ways you can do your Caulk gun. In fact, most of them will have this inbuilt. You see this one? Okay, yeah, this one. This you can put the cartridge in and you can make a cut out of it. It's easy, not difficult, but some people like say that no, because of sometimes they don't make the proper cut in this method. That's why a lot of people prefer doing it externally using a device like a utility knife like this. So it's up to you, and it's recommended to do it at 45 degrees angle. See, the measurements are given here. Okay, at which measurement you want to make a cut angle. This is going to be the angle. It's already in the 45 degrees shape angle. So if you want to make like 1/8, you can do 3/16, 1/4, 5/16, whichever way whichever like diameter you want to use to make the cut. It also depends upon the crack where you want to put it. So that way you can proceed. So in this like for my current use, I'm gonna do 1/8. So I'm gonna do, you see I have given the mark here, so I can make a cut right here. Okay, it's done. Okay, it's perfectly cut. So now I can load this cartridge. Again, there are various types of Caulk guns, but this one is something I really like because it's easy to use and you can load it. Okay, now it has been loaded here. Okay, now it has been loaded here, and now I can do caulking, okay, wherever I want to. So thanks for watching this video, but yeah, before I do that, I apologize, I missed one point, is that we need to make a hole inside it. So before you actually even load, I must have said this. You see, I have this one to make a hole here so that caulk actually comes out. Okay, I have to make a hole out of it. Okay, it's done, as you can see. Now because a hole has been made and it is ready to be used, I can load it. Okay, and it's now ready. Now you can now it's ready. So now you can just do the caulking around here. Okay, so that is how it works, guys. Let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you. Are done. Now I am gonna put this what do you call, crack filler, concrete crack filler. This is from DAB brand. You'll get so many of the like these things at your local hardware store, but it again depends upon various factors like your usage and other things, and you just need to follow the crack along. Okay, and then like the one I'm using is not self-leveling. If it's a self-leveling, then you don't need to worry about. So now after it is done, we'll use a putty knife to level it. Okay, so just stay with me. When you do caulking, make sure the angle you have made cut, it fits directly